If AutoCAD is throwing error code 4005 during installation, don't worry, because this is usually an ODIS problem, not a licensing problem. In other words, the installer itself is failing to talk to its core service, which is why cache fixes and license resets usually won't solve it. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix AutoCAD error code 4005 quickly and safely so you can get the installation moving again. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes. Let's start with the first step. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type services.msc and press enter. This opens the Windows Services window, where you can control background services that AutoCAD and Autodesk installers rely on. Now scroll through the list and look for Autodesk Access Service Host. This is one of the services that ODIS depends on. When you find it, right-click it and choose Stop. Stopping this service helps prevent the installer from fighting with a broken or stuck background process while we clean things up. Next, we need to remove the corrupted installer component. Open File Explorer and go to /program files /Autodesk /add/ODIS/v1. Inside that folder, look for RemoveODIS.exe. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. This step is important because it clears out the damaged ODIS installation pieces that may be causing the 4005 error. If the folder is already empty or RemoveODIS.exe is not there, don't panic, just move on to the next step. Now, we're going to clear the install cache. This helps remove any broken temporary files that could be causing the installer to fail repeatedly. First, paste this path into File Explorer, %localappdata, %Autodesk /ODIS. Delete everything inside that folder if it exists. Then go to /Autodesk /WI and delete everything in that folder as well. After that, open your temp folder by typing %temp% in the run box or File Explorer address bar. Once you're in there, delete as many files and folders as Windows allows. If some files are in use, skip them and delete the rest. At this point, you've cleared out the most common corrupted ODIS and installer cache data. Now it's time to reinstall the on-demand install service itself. Go to the official Autodesk website and download the latest standalone Autodesk On-Demand Install Service installer. This part matters because if the ODIS service is outdated or broken, AutoCAD Setup may fail before it even starts properly. Install the standalone ODIS package first. Let it finish completely before you launch the AutoCAD installer. Once that is done, find your AutoCAD Setup.exe file, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Running the installer with administrator privileges gives it the permissions it needs to write files and register services correctly. One more very important check. Make sure you are installing AutoCAD to your internal C drive. Error code 4005 often shows up when people try to install to an external hard drive, USB drive, or another removable storage device. If your install location is anything other than the main internal drive, change it to C: and try again. After that, restart the installation and let AutoCAD run through the setup process again. In most cases, these steps resolve the 4005 error by fixing the broken ODIS service, cleaning the installer cache, and making sure the setup runs from the proper location with the right permissions. If AutoCAD still gives you trouble after this, the next best move is to restart your computer and try the install again from a fresh session, but in most cases, these steps are enough to get past the error. I hope this helped you fix AutoCAD error code 4005. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.